Hello, good morning. My name is Tapia, and today we're going to present a project that we made with my team. We made a robot with four servo motors, and it's called robot with 4 grades of liberty. And why 4 grades of liberty? Because one servo motor move, for example, the arm. Another servo motor moves the base. This for we can do this. We need a proto board, Arduino, and also we need jumpers, approximately 20 jumpers, and buttons. One for each servo motor. We need two buttons, and if we had 4 servo motors, we need 2 for 8 buttons. And how this the main function of this is to move the robot with for this has 4 movements. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for can use this, we need to connect the Arduino to the computer with the USB cable. Connect to the computer, and this is going to is made by controlled by the computer, and we need a software. The software is called Arduino. You need to program the robot with the movements that you want to make. In this case, we make to put these movements, and also you need to connect very good the jumpers to the protocol and the buttons, and we need a resistance of 100 ohms. And for make this the robot, we need acrylic. The acrylic was cut or made by a milling machine. And also we need to make the shapes in a SolidWorks program, or give a figure exactly. And this is all. That's it. Thank you.